Hi everyone. Good morning. Happy Thursday. So, long time. No upload ako. Kamusta kayo guys? Kamusta kayo? So, welcome to Leluna Tarot. So, mapapansin niyo medyo iba yung setup natin. So, ito na yung magiging setup natin palagi. Okay, so we are going to have a pick a card reading for today. So, I hope magstay kayo sa video and manood and pumili ng file na tingin nyo mag-resonate sa inyo. So, ang topic natin for today is, who is thinking of you? Sino yung nag-iisip sa'yo and why? Okay? So, sa harapan ninyo, we have two piles. So, this is pile number 1. Okay? And this is pile number 2. Our file are composed of tarot cards and oracle cards and song, okay, na related doon sa reading natin. Okay, so I will give you seconds or minutes to pick your pile na sa tingin niyo mag-resonate sa inyo. So this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. So kung nakapili na kayo ng pile or pipili pa lang ng pile, I will give you seconds or minutes. Okay, so let's start. Pick your pile now. Pile number 1 and pile number 2. Who is thinking of you? So, sino yung nag-iisip sa inyo? Okay. Sino yung tao na nag-iisip sa'yo and bakit? Okay, so kung nakapili ka na ng pile na sa tingin mo mag-resonate sa'yo, mag-start na tayo kay pile number 1. Pile number 1, kung ito ang napili mo, ito yung person na nag-iisip sa'yo. Disclaimer lang guys, this is a random reading. So, this is a pick a pile. So, po pwedeng mag-resonate sa'yo, po pwedeng hindi, or po pwedeng energy ng other person yung nakukuha ko and hindi yung sa'yo. Okay, so you are welcome to choose another pile if hindi nag-resonate sa'yo yung pile number 1. Okay? So, if resonated sa inyo, that's good. And wag masyadong isipin kung ano yung zodiac. Kung hindi resonated yung zodiac sign na lalabas, it's okay. Okay? So, start na tayo sa yung tarot card, pile number 1. So, sino ba yung taong nag-iisip sa'yo? Pile number 1. Six of Wands can be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And po pwedeng this person is popular, okay, or kilala, somehow kilala. Can be a celebrity, but or kilala lang talaga siya. Po pwedeng politiko, or meron siya mga supporters na tinatawag. Six of Wands. Uy. King of Swords, air sign. Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. An intelligent kind of a person. Sinabi kong kilala, may some kind of authority. Okay, po pwedeng this is a politiko, this is a higher rank official, or po pwedeng may narinig ako counselor. Basta may may moral, may ethics, sabihin natin ganon. Okay? Very logical kind of a person. Okay? Someone who hindi nagtotolerate ng BS or kasinungalingan. O pwedeng this is a past face person, okay? Uy, the Empress, pero tumalsik siya in reverse. Okay. Eight of Pentacles, Earth sign. Page of Swords, air sign again. Someone here is spying or still pinagmamasdan pa rin yung other person. And Nine of Wands. Someone here is pwedeng nagpapakatatag, pwedeng guarded, okay. Or pwedeng kahit sobrang dami ng responsibility, is still um, may courage or nagpe-persevere. Okay. So, what I sense here on sa pile number 1 natin, this is someone yung nag-iisip sa'yo na pwedeng ano ha, take what resonate guys, this person is pwedeng may recognition or some kind of authority sa community, sa job, higher position siya. Okay, this is a king. So, sabihin na natin mataas ang posisyon niya or meron tong sinasabi sa community or may pera. Okay, may achieve, merong some kind of achievement na na sabihin nating napagtagumpayan or na rich, while the other person, okay, while the other person with the Empress in reverse is pwedeng sabihin natin may kailangan pang matutunan. Pwedeng ikaw to, yung sinasabi kong King of Swords na energy, vice versa kasi guys ang energy, okay? Pero meron ako ditong nakikita na yung isa dito, yung isa sa inyo is with some kind of insecurity. Okay, kasi pwedeng yung other person is okay financially, okay sa sabihin natin stable na while the other person is not. Okay? Yung other person is nag-struggle, sabihin natin, financially or pwedeng ito rin tong person na to. Okay? Or, meron ako nakita na pwedeng this person is popular siya or kilala siya sa community, mataas ang posisyon niya, pero this person is struggling financially. Okay? Yes. This person still spying on you or still curious sa'yo. Mm-hmm. Pwedeng nung person na to is in a new job right now or pwedeng nagbi-build, nagbi-build ng finances niya. O pwedeng ikaw to na nagbi-build ng finances as of now. Or pwedeng ikaw yung popular person na sinasabi ko dito, while the other person is not stable, or ano kasi ako nakukuha na yung other person is confident while the other person is not. Okay? So, take what's resonate kung sino ka ba dun. Pile number 1. Or, itong person na to is merong some kind of achievement na gustong makuha with this um, Six of Wands. Mhm. Or this person is currently building his or her confidence sa sarili niya. Okay. This person still working on his career and finances. Itong person na nag-iisip sa'yo, pile number 1, this person is ongoing on a battle right now. Kung pwedeng marami siyang pinagdadaanan ngayon, marami siyang responsibility. Okay. This person is very perseverance or heavy perseverance. And ginagather nito yung strength nito, siguro, kung pwedeng nagbi-build siya ng finances para makapunta siya towards you. This person is having an insecurity or still, alam mo yon, still building his confidence. Sabihin na natin ganun, ha? Kung pwedeng this is a person na naka-self-employed siya or nagbi-business. Okay, still building his career and concentrate siya sa career niya muna. Pero this person still spying on you. Ha? File number 1. Okay, so tingnan natin. Ano pa to? Busy pa tong mag-work ng career niya. And focus siya doon. Pero, nag-i-spy to sa'yo. Nagpa-plan. And still guarded. Siguro, as of now, tingnan natin ha. Or ikaw to, energy mo to, file number 1. You are still building your career, you are busy working on yourself or in your insecurity. Okay? Kung pwede sigurong naging negligent ka before. And marami kang battle na pinagdaanan or challenges na pinagdaanan before. But still holding on and still fighting. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Firestorm. Karma, drama, ending, loss, mental breakdown. Uy! Okay, so with this Firestorm card, meron ako nakita dito with the Resilient or Nine of Wands and Page of Swords. There is someone curious sa ginagawa ng other person, kung anong ginagawa niya. Meron akong nakuha dito ha, meron akong narinig na for some of you, maybe ikaw yung busy working on your career right now and this person na thinking of you is want to start a drama. Curious kasi siya sa'yo kung anong ginagawa mo. Okay? Or there is an ending between the two of you. It can be this is an ex. Okay? With the endings. Uh-huh. O pwedeng this person is hindi mo na pinagtutuunan ng pansin. Okay? Secluded. Separation reflecting soul searching. Okay. So, po pwedeng you seclude yourself dito sa person na 'to, sineparate mo yung sarili mo dito sa person na 'to. Mhm. Or it can be this person is the one who separate yung sarili niya sa'yo. Sineclude niya yung sarili niya sa'yo, nag-hermit mode siya. Can be a Virgo. Backstab. Pain, cheating, deception, mind games, love bomb. So, this is the confirmation na po pwedeng the one who is thinking sa'yo, pa number one, is someone who want to start a drama. Okay? So, po pwedeng yung energy mo kanina with the King of Swords, working on self, working on career, okay? Kasi po pwedeng nagkaroon ka ng lack of confidence because of this person. Okay? Kasi binabackstab ka nito, nag-cheat to sa'yo, okay? Alam mo nila, bomb ka nito. This person want to start a drama. This person is spying on you. Okay, and then meron ako nakita dito. Energy mo to, most sa inyo, pal number one, na think before you speak, don't get drawn into arguments na sinasabing if this person message you or approach you, ang sabi dito is wag papatulan. Okay? Wag papatulan. Kasi this person wants to start drama kasi po pwede kasing siniklude mo nga yung sarili mo, lumayo ka sa kanya. And hindi niya matanggap yon kasi po pwede sigurong this person is may kind of authority or famous siya. Hindi niya matanggap na bakit mo siya iniiwasan. If famous siya, or kaya, alam mo yung parang may pagka-boastful tong person na to. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Divine Masculine. So, this is a Divine Masculine or you can be the Divine Masculine. Meron ako nakuha na kung sino man tong person na to is mataas ang tingin niya kasi sa sarili niya. And siguro, ikaw yung humiwalay sa kanya, ikaw yung nag-separate ng sarili mo, and maybe this person want to start a drama kasi hindi niya matanggap na iniwasan mo siya, nilayuan mo siya. Okay. Reckless. Reckless love, reckless sex. Okay. So, with the reckless card here, so po pwede, sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina, with the Empress in reverse, nandito, so may nagawa kang negligence, okay, meron kang hindi na pag-isipan or po pwede sigurong nabigla ka lang dito sa person na to, nasway ka niya kasi nilove bomb ka niya, okay, nasway ka kasi nilove bomb ka, minine games ka, okay, nadala ka niya sa mga sweet talk niya, sa mga sa mga magagandang mabulaklak na salita. Okay? Kasi with the King of Swords, magaling din to kasi magsalita, guys, ha? File number 1. May way siya sa word. Kasi this is a logical and very matalino na person, okay? Jackass. This person with the jackass is energy for me is mind games. Okay. This person with the mind games here again. This person kaya can be this is a narcissist, guys. Ha? File number 1. Kaya ka dito lumayo, kaya ka nagkaroon ng lack of confidence kasi dito sa person na to. Kasi this person is nagma-mind game sa'yo. Okay? O pwedeng pinaglaruan ka nito, nag-cheat, okay? Mahilig kang mag-start ng drama. Okay, and nagko-cause ng mental breakdown. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Who is thinking of you, pile number 1, po pwedeng, bakit kanya iniisip? Kasi gusto niya mag-start ng drama. Hindi mo na kasi siya pinapansin. Or siniklude mo yung sarili mo sa kanya. Hindi mo nire-replyan. Okay? Hindi ka nakatulad noon na parang nadadala ka pa sa sinasabi niya. You composed yourself, okay? So, meron ako nakita dito na this person wants to start a drama. Kaya siguro, iniisip ka nito. Not enough. Frustrated in relationship, lack of confidence again with the Empress card in reverse, self-sabotage, fear, ego issues, and jealousy. Okay? Po pwede sigurong, vice versa guys ang energy, po pwede sigurong feeling mo you are not enough dito sa person na to kasi yun yung pinaramdam niya sa'yo. Okay? Kasi nga mahilig tong mind games. Or nag-cheat to sa'yo kaya feeling mo you are not enough. Okay? Nawala ang confident mo maybe dito sa person, dahil dito sa person na to. Meron ako nakikita talagang narcissist, yung gusto niya, ina-outshine ka niya, parang ganun. And may some kind of part of him or her, kung babae ka, kung lalaki, na jealous siya sa'yo, po pwede siguro kasing empress ka. Okay? Empress ka, guys. Pero, naging reverse siya kasi dahil siguro dito sa person na to. The butterfly. Relationship evolving to the next phase, healing the inner child, growth. Okay. And kanina tumalsik siya in reverse. With the butterfly in reverse, this person don't want for you to evolve. Okay. Or ayaw nitong mag-move on ka. Meron akong nakita na ayaw kang mag-move on nito. Ayaw niyang mag-heal ka. Ayaw niya na mag-growth ka. Gusto niya yung parang under ka pa rin niya. Okay. Next, Cupid's arrow. Have faith, love is coming, surprise invitation or meeting, and hesitation. So po pwede sigurong you are evolving right now and soon you will meet another person or another soulmate, another love interest, okay? Or po pwedeng this person is afraid na mag-move on ka and makamit ka ng someone na mamahalin ka for who you are. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Tingnan pa natin sa yung advice card. So, angel advice and love advice. Meron pa dito. So, tingnan natin. Separation. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon. So, this is another confirmation that you already separated with this person. Pile number 1. Okay. Chemistry. There's a strong magnetic attraction here. So, po pwedeng you are very beautiful before, pile number 1, or you are very beautiful and you are the empress, but this person makes you doubt yourself, makes you lost your confidence, okay? With the chemistry here. Kasi meron ako nakitang strong magnetic attraction. So, siguro, yun yung nakapag-attract sa kanya, sa'yo, okay? Kasi you are, and alam niya na you are very beautiful or very handsome, okay? Very attracted or very attractive, sorry. Finances and career. Issues are a factor in your love life right now. So, yes, this is another card confirming that you are working on your finances, okay? You are in the process of working your finances. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Heart. You begin to feel your heartbeat faster when you are close. Okay? Siguro yung iba sa inyo, akala nyo this is your soulmate, this is a twin flame. Okay? Kasi, ang narcissist, um, relationship is talagang patitibukin yung puso mo, parang paparamdam niya na siya yung knight in shining armor mo, ilalabam ka. That is a narcissistic tendency or relationship. Kaya siguro akala mo na siya yung soulmate mo, siya yung twin flame mo or twin flame kayo. Okay? Kaya siguro masyado kang na-fall sa kanya. Masyado mo siyang minahal. Okay? Deeply. Look deeply within to discover your soul purpose in your relationship. So for me, um, if you're still hurting or still healing in this connection, ang sabi dito, look deeply within your soul. Kasi po pwedeng this is just a parang sabihin nating lesson for you to learn para mag-evolve ka pa or magkaroon ka pa ng growth sa sarili mo. Okay, so meditate, look deeply in your soul. Yin and yang. Like the yin and yang symbol, twin flames contain an aspect of each other's character within themselves. Okay, so po pwedeng for some of you, this is your literally a twin flame. Okay, but this twin flame is a broken twin flame. Broken soul, parang ganon. Okay? So, po pwedeng siguro nakala mo na twin flame kayo kasi sabi mo siguro sabi mo may pagkakatulad kayo ng ugali or what I mean is para kayong positive or negative, parang ganon. So, akala mo twin flame mo siya, kaya masyado kang nadala dun sa mga sinasabi niya, sa mga pinapakita niya. Okay? Meron akong narinig or meron akong naramdaman na talagang minahal mo tong person na 'to. Mm. Meron din akong nakita na for some of you this in actual twin flame na talagang nagdadala ng drama, ng chaos sa buhay mo with the mental breakdown here or the fire starter. Talagang po pwede sigurong dito ka nakaranas ng feeling mo you are not enough. Okay, if this is not a narcissist tendency, this person yung nagtitrigger sa'yo. Ito yung person na nagtitrigger sa'yo, nagturo sa'yo ng pinakamabigat na lesson, okay, sa life mo. If this is not a narcissist, okay? So, po pwedeng nag-cheat to sa'yo. Itong popular person na to, nakilala or famous. And feeling mo, you are not enough. Feeling mo, kumbaga, nagkaroon ka dito ng insecurity dito sa person na to kasi parang siya yung nag-trigger ng mga kahinaan mo sa sarili mo. Yung about sa finances, about sa mga kailangan mo pang i-work out sa sarili mo. Ito yung nagbigay ng mental breakdown sa'yo. Dito ka nasaktan kasi po pwedeng nag-cheat to sa'yo. Okay? Itong person na nag-iisip sa'yo. Pero this person still spying on you with the page of swords. Okay? Hindi dito, nag-i-spy pa rin to sa'yo. So, tingnan natin yung song mo, pile number 1, para sa pagtatapos ng reading mo. So, pakinggan mo to, ilista nyo. Baka resonated sa'yo yung mga songs mo. Okay, number 1 songs is Better Than Me by Hinder or Hinder. I really miss your hair in my face and the way your innocence stays. And I think you should know this, you deserve much better than me. Okay. So, yun nga, meron akong nararamdaman dito na either one of you or isa sa inyo is naka, alam mo yun, nararamdaman na parang you are not enough dito para sa person na to or this person feel. Vice versa again guys na she or he is not enough para sa'yo. Kasi po pwede ikaw yung popular, kung sino man yung popular dito, and yung someone is parang nagkaroon ng insecurity sa sarili niya kasi nga parang feeling niya hindi sila bagay. Okay? Next song is song by Michael Johnson, Bluer Than Blue. But I'm bluer than blue, sadder than sad. You're the only light this empty room has ever had. And life without you is gonna be bluer than blue. Okay, if this person is the one who is left you kasi feeling niya nga is parang hindi kayo bagay kasi kung sino man yung popular dito or yung okay yung trabaho, okay yung finances, and the one is being insecure or walang confident kasi nga parang siguro hindi pa okay yung finances niya, nagbi-build pa siya ng career niya or ng kung ano man yung kailangan pa niyang ayusin. This person na kung sino man yung iniwan is sad kasi maybe the other person is na-realize niya na yun yung happiness niya, yun yung light niya. Okay? Na pinakawalan niya or pinabayaan niyang mawala. Next is song by Lifehouse Broken. I'm falling apart, I'm barely breathing, with a broken heart that's still beating. In the pain, there is healing. In your name, I find meaning. So I'm holding on, I'm holding on, I'm holding on, I'm barely holding on to you. Okay, this person still holding on to the other person that's why he or she keeps on spying or looking for this other person. So, this person is another confirmation na still, alam mo yon, still wants you, still loves you, don't want you to move on sa other person, ayaw niyang mag-move on ka at makahanap ka ng iba. Okay? So, para number one, this is your reading kung sino ba yung person na nag-iisip sa'yo and why. So, this is yung person na iniisip ka. Someone na siguro nagsisisi simula nung mawala ka sa buhay niya. And ayaw niya or natatakot siya na mag-move on ka with someone else. Okay? And maybe this person is building na yung career niya and healing na doon sa mga trauma niya. Okay? Para siguro to come towards you. So, sana nag-resonate sa inyo to, pal number one. And like and share na rin. Subscribe sa channel natin. Kung hindi man resonated sa'yo, you're welcome to choose other pile, which is the pile number 2. Okay, kung resonated naman sa'yo, kindly comment down below. Ano yung suggestion mo or ano yung masasabi mo dito sa pile na napili mo. Okay, so hindi ko napapatagalin guys. I will go to pile number 2. Pile number 2, kung ito yung pile na napili mo, so titingnan natin who is thinking of you and why. Okay? So, mixed of tarot card and oracle card ito and song and mga songs na mag-resonate sa inyo. So, start na tayo. Pile number 2, sino yung nag-iisip sa'yo and bakit? Start tayo sa yung tarot card. Okay. Uy. 9 of Pentacles. Independent and wealthy. Earth sign. Uy, Ace of Cups, water sign. Offer. Romance. King of Pentacles, Earth sign again. Security or secured. Okay. 3 of Wands, choice. A choice. Lovers. The Lovers card is here. Eight of Cups, water sign. Moving on. Oh. Who is thinking of you, pal number 1? So, masasabi ko na this can be or He can be a earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Okay, and you could be an earth sign too, either Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus again. And this person wants to offer you a cup of love, maybe a new beginning, okay, a new relationship. So meron ako nakikita na this is a new relationship. Okay. It can be a new love. Hmm. This is a independent or a wealthy person with the King of Pentacles. So this is a matured and grounded kind of a person. Can be a businessman, okay? This is your soulmate, okay? Pile number 2 with the Lover's card and Ace of Cups. This is a soulmate, a new soulmate, okay? A partnership. This is a deep soulmate connection, pile number 2. So you have a choice whether you will accept, okay, this relationship or this person or yung ino-offer itong love sa'yo, okay? You can meet this person po pwedeng when you are traveling or you are in a moving on pace of your life, or po pwedeng when you are in a self-discovery mode. Okay. And for some of you, yung iba sa inyo this person wants to offer you a new connection again, or to rekindle yung connection ninyo na siguro na udlot. Maybe this person is inabandon na ka, or yung ginost ka, or yung nag-walk away. Nag-walk away sa inyo or sa connection ninyo, ginost ka malamang kasi siguro inisip nito na grass is always greener on the other side, to look for other options, okay? To look for other options, or there is a choice na ginawa tong person na to, po pwede sigurong nag-move on to other place kasi siguro para mag-pursue ng career, it can be, or nag-migrate, or this person po pwedeng thinking, okay, or any choice whether mag-o-offer ng love sa'yo, magtatapat sa'yo ng, magko-confess sa'yo ng love or hindi. Kasi this person is on the choices, okay, right now, whether magle-let go na, pagtatapat ba niya sa'yo or magle-let go na lang siya. Kasi this is a major choices in love. Okay? Hmm. Or po pwedeng ito yung person na iniwasan mo, nilayuan mo, nag-move on ka dito sa person na to. Okay? Earth sign, water sign, fire sign. Can be a Gemini. Hmm? So, tingnan natin. illumination, truth, discovery, awakening. Okay, so maybe this person with the discovery, okay, meron ako nakita ditong ayan, self-discovery. Siguro na-realize ito, na-awaken to na siguro mahal ka niya talaga. O pwedeng ganon. Kasi lover's card and ace of cups is nandito. So may some kind of emotion na siya. Okay for you. Happily single, doing you, dating, stress-free, setting goals, career focus. With the Nine of Pentacles here, you can be single, businesswoman, stable right now. Okay, you are dating, you are in a dating scene. Okay, or po pwedeng ito yung person na yon. Okay. Nag-focus sa career o po pwedeng nag-focus to sa career kaya umalis or lumayo. Okay, and siguro na-awaken siya na this time dahil stable na siya, gusto niya na ng relationship. Sweet talk. Po pwede siguro this is a sweet talker or po pwedeng nasa stage lang kayo ng conversation before or MU pero wala kayong title. Yes. Feeling like shit. Someone here is siguro nakaramdam na parang ginost siya, iniwanan siya, or I don't know. So, tingnan pa natin. My way. Selfish, stubborn, arrogant, pride, and ego. Siguro there is may ego focus na nangyari dito sa connection between the two of you. Okay, kaya may isa na nag-walk away or umalis. Or there is a stubbornness here, kaya hindi pinagtapat. Yung nararamdaman niya, yung totoong nararamdaman niya, mas inano yung pride and ego. Kaya hindi na pagtapat yung nararamdaman. Kasi meron akong nakita dito with the Ace of Cups, gusto nang magtapat ng nararamdaman. Losing sleep, worried, replaying events, thinking about you. This is another confirmation that this person is thinking of you. This person is losing sleep. Kung pwede, nakukonsensya kasi hindi niya nasabi sa iyo kung ano yung nararamdaman niya. Okay, with the Lover's card and the Ace of Cups. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Healing heart. Healing from heartbreak, freedom from toxic relationship or addiction. Okay, so po pwedeng kaya lumayo yung isa dito, meron akong nakuha. Kaya lumayo, kaya umiwas kasi po pwedeng nung nagkakilala kayo is nasa middle siya or nasa kasagsagan siya na nag-heal siya from a toxic connection or a heartbreak. Okay. Kaya parang hindi niya nasabi, walang connection na nangyari. Siguro, MU lang yung nakita ko kasi dito eh. Pero may nag-ghost dito or pwedeng nag-walk away, nag-move on. Abundance. Keep a positive mindset. Manifest exactly what you want. Gratitude and bliss. So, pwedeng this person is very stable or you can be abundant. Okay. You are working on your career. Meron ako nakita. Someone here is focused on career. Don't mind other business. Happily single. Dating. So, maybe ikaw yon pile number 2, or ito yung person na yon. Girl talk. Time with friends, moving on, happily single, living in the moment, having fun. So this is another confirmation that you are happily single right now. Okay? With the happily single here and happily single, girl talk, you are just doing your business, your job, you are happy on your own with the Nine of Pentacles, independent, okay. Luck. Need time, takes time, in time cycle, time to heal, progress. Okay. Pero meron ako nakita dito na maybe this person feels na time is ticking. Okay, or po pwedeng matagal na or siguro marami ng time yung lumipas dun sa connection mo dito sa person na to. So, matagal na siguro itong nangyari or matagal mo na itong nakausap, matagal na itong connection na to. Okay, pero itong person na to is still thinking of you. Talking, interested, conversing more, awaited message, arrive, text, call, email, hovering. So, po pwedeng, nakilala mo tong person na to online. Okay? Online mo siya nakilala, girl or boy. And maybe this person is ginost ka. Okay? Or biglang nawala tong person na to, hindi nakapagtapat, or alam niyo may something sa inyo pero hindi nagkaaminan, hindi naging grounded yung relationship. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin sa yung um, love, Angel's advice and then love advice. So, nakita ko, iniisip ka na itong person na to, pile number 2. Kasi siguro, nagkaroon ng awakening tong person na to na hindi niya naipagtapat kasi sa'yo yung nararamdaman niya dahil sa pride or sa ego. Okay? And maybe this person, akala niya siguro grass is greener on the other side, or siguro akala niya marami pang much better than you. Pero na-realize niya na hindi pala. Na ikaw pala yung mahal niya with the Ace of Cups and Lover's card. Ikaw yung mahal niya. You can be an earth sign. Kasi you are working on your career right now, you're independent, okay. So, tingnan natin. Ba't kanya iniisip? Gusto niya magtapat sa'yo na nararamdaman niya. Gusto niya bumalik. Gusto kanya makausap. Okay? And siguro you're very independent and stable right now and alam niya yon. Calling in your soulmate. Your prayers, affirmations, and visualization help bring you together. Or this is another confirmation na baby, this is a soulmate of yours with the Lover's card. Okay? Lover's card. This is a soulmate connection. Divine connection. Major love connection to. And this is another confirmation na soulmate mo to. File number 2. Reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. This is another confirmation na this is your soulmate. Itong person na nag-iisip sa'yo. And want to reconciliate sa'yo. This is a past life connection. File number 2. Waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. So this is another confirmation na this is a divinely guided connection. Siguro kung ano man yung nangyari sa inyo before is fated yon kasi siguro para magawa nyo pa yung mga dapat ninyong magawa. Or ma-realize yung mga dapat ma-realize. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Emotions. Look deep within your emotions. Okay? Telepathic. Close soul, tingnan mo close soul connections are harmoniously synchronized, creating moments of telepathy. So, kahit hindi kayo nag-uusap nito, matagal na hindi nag-usap, matagal na yung connection ninyo, or hindi kayo nag-uusap nito verbally or personally, kahit nasa online na kayo mag-uusap or anything, meron kayong telepathic communication. Alam niyo yung nararamdaman ng isa't isa. Pwedeng napapanaginipan mo to. Okay? Pwedeng nababasa mo yung iniisip niya. That is a telepathic connection. Kasi nga, alam mo yung nararamdaman niya. Sasabihin pa lang niya, alam mo yung sasabihin niya. Kasi, this is a past life connection, guys. Surprise! You may be about to be surprised. Maybe this person will talk to you, come towards you, meet you, finally, or kung ano man yung mangyayari. So, kasi angel is working on your side or on your connection. Okay? So, kaabang-abang, pile number 2, masusurpresa ka. Tama ba yung Tagalog ko? May surprise. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung song para sa'yo. Meron kang 3 song. Pile number 2. Ay, 4 pala to. Song by River Maya, Kisap Mata. Okay, bilis namang maglaho ng pag-ibig mo sinta, daig mo pa ang isang kisap mata. Kanina'y nandyan lang o ba't bigla na lang nawala, daig mo pa. This is another confirmation na merong ng ghost dito sa connection ninyo. Kasi kisap mata, naglaho. Okay? So, next song, Lifehouse, You and Me. What are the things that I want to say? Just aren't coming out, right? I'm tripping on words. You got my head spinning. I don't know where to go from here. So, po pwede sigurong, sabi ko nga, merong hindi nasabi ditong nararamdaman, hindi na pagtapat ko ano yung nararamdaman, pero alam mo kung ano yung nararamdaman nung other person, alam niya kung ano nararamdaman mo, alam niyong mahal niyo ang isa't isa. Tripping on words. You just got my head spinning. Okay? Pangatlong kanta, Through the Years, Kenny Rogers. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. So sabi ko nga, baka this is a long time connection na, a past life connection, kung pwedeng matagal na kayong nagkausap nito na nang-go sa'yo. I don't know. So, take what's resonate. Last song, Till I Met You by Angeline Quinto. Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more. Every day, I love you more each day. Okay, so siguro, um, this is your soulmate. This is po pwedeng yung partner mo po from this lifetime na siguro talagang meron nang nangyari kaya kayo nagkaroon ng ghosting or separation. So, nasa sayo yon pal number 2. If you're going to reconcile with this person, pero merong surprises na mangyayari sa'yo this week or upcoming days, okay? So, pakinggan nyo yung mga kanta, guys. Pwede nyo ilista, pwede nyo para mapakinggan ninyo. So, pile number 2, this is your reading. So, who is thinking of you? Someone na nang ghost, nag-walk away, nag-abandon sa'yo, or pwedeng lumayo, hindi na kumausap sa'yo, or hindi na pagtapat yung nararamdaman niya. Nakakausap mo to, no? Conversing mo to sa chat, sa text, sa online, okay? So, nagpapalitan kayo ng messages na to sa messaging app. Okay, and siguro po pwedeng hindi mo pa to na-meet. Okay, po pwedeng hindi mo pa siya na-meet. Pwedeng ganon, or nakapag-date lang kayo once. I don't know. So, take what resonate, guys. So, I hope nag-resonate sa iyo to, pal number 2. You are free to comment below kung ano yung suggestion mo or tingin mo dito sa reading na to kung resonated sa iyo. And subscribe ka na rin kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe. Again, maraming salamat sa panonood. Pal number 2. And kung hindi sa'yo resonated ito, pwede kang manood ng pile number 1. Okay? So, patuloy nyo pong panoorin ang channel nila Luna. And na-appreciate ko yung mga nagko-comment, nababasa ko po yun. So again, long time no upload ako, pero sisikapin ko pong makapag-upload ulit ng mga bagong reading this coming days and week. Okay? So maraming salamat. Hindi ko napapahabain ng ating reading. Happy Thursday morning sa inyong lahat. Lapit naman yung weekend. Maraming salamat. Bye!